What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the animation in Krita, and this will be very suitable for the beginner. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can access or install this Krita, and don't worry because this Krita is very accessible. You can find it out or search for it from the Google, and after that you can download it, and this can be accessed into your Windows PC or Macintosh and even the Linux. And after that you can also follow the installation process. And don't worry because this installation process is quite simple. You don't need to do the login with your email too, or you don't need any code too. And for example, after the installation process, then you can see the home page like this. And after that you can continue to click new, and you can choose the custom of your document or customize, for example, the width and also the height over here. You can also make it into the landscape or portrait, which one you prefer. And you can also click this predefine to choose the paper if you would like to, let's say, create the poster or maybe the picture. So you can use this Krita not only to do the photo editing but also create the animation, guys. Isn't that cool, right? And for example, I will keep this width and also the height, and I will continue to click create. And if you, the new user of this Krita, usually they will know the animation timeline or animation curves down here. Don't worry because you can make it pop up by clicking this windows, and after that you can go to this workspace and click this animation, and after that this section will be appear down here. This is kind of the space to create, let's say, the keyframe, and also that keyframe also help us to create the motion to create the movement of the object. And if you see the brush preset before, or the brush option in the previous time and it's gone, don't worry, you can also reappear it again by clicking this settings and go to this Docker, and you can continue to click this brush preset. There you go, this will be the brush, guys. And for example, I want to create the animation or the very simple animation about the sun ray or the sun. So I will start to go to this paint layer 1, and I will start to click this create blank frame, or which means this is the first keyframe like this. And after that I will go to this section. You can create the motion by, or create the keyframe by clicking, give it the right click and create the blank frame over here, or you can also jump into this seconds, and I will continue to click create blank frame like this. And after that I will start to create the circle. For example, I will create it from this one, and I will create the circle, and you can also choose the color over here. This is the color palette that has been provided by this Krita. For example, I will choose this one, and you can start to drag it, and you will see the circle is ready. And the next step will be, I will go to this second 6 and click this create blank frame. Again, you can pop up this section or this menu by giving this right click, and after that this will be the option. And if you go to this 6 seconds, you see that the circle is gone. So if you would like to make it appear, so I will go to this second 3 or second third, and I will give it the right click, and I will give it a copy keyframe. I will go to this 6 keyframe or 6 second of keyframe, give it the right click and paste it. There you go. And the next step will be at the, let's say, the rays over here. And I will give it the color to become yellow. Let's say like this. And I will go to this 9 second. I will copy this keyframe first and paste it over here. If you would like to paste over here, you can simply click this, and I will make the another rays like this, and I will click this again, give it the right click, copy the keyframe, and I will go to this 12 second of keyframe and paste the keyframe, and I will add the ray, and I will go back, do it again until you can find and also put your movement that you want. And if you would like to check about the movement, so you can start to push the shift in your keyboard, and you can start to put the alignment to the left like this, and after that you can click play. So this will be the motion, guys. So I will start to continue. Let's say I will copy this keyframe and I will put it into the 15 and paste it, and I will add the ray like this. And after that I will move to the 18 keyframe. Well, I will copy it first, I'm sorry. Copy it and paste it over here. And I will add the another ray. For example, I will choose this one. Here, 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 and here. And let's play all of them. Shift and to the left. It's kind of when you would like to drag or choose the file in your folder, and you can play it. So that's all, guys. This is the simple animation to be your first animation that you made in Krita. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.